Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete Facebook account. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. First, open up your Facebook application and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. And now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Once you come up to the settings page, tap on See More in Account Center. Now from here, tap on Personal Details and select Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your account and select Delete Account and tap on Continue button. Before you delete, select a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account and click on Continue button once again. Again, tap on Continue button and you'll be done. So this was a video on how to delete Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great contents. Thanks for watching.